First, have a notebook ready. This course is massive. Therefore, we recommend to follow this learning pattern. On each location, watch the conversation for the first time and try not to stop the video. The idea is for you to test yourself and see which words you understand from the first time. At this point, download the black and white script and watch the conversation for the second time along with the script. Stop after every sentence and read it. This should make you ready for the next step. After that, start the studio lessons, in which we dissect the sentences on the board and write down any difficult words you might have encountered and haven't mastered yet. The quizzes are of mass importance and a way to measure your progress. Try not to advance before you understand all the correct answers. The next step, featuring our unique colored script, will make your life a lot easier. This script has the conversation in Hebrew, the English translation, and transliteration, having each word and its meaning in English colored differently. This visual color learning technique makes it much more effective to increase your vocabulary. We advise you to use the MP3 audio file while reading the colored script for a final overview of the conversation. We worked very hard to provide you these tools. Use them. Good luck, and thank you for learning Hebrew.